How to effectively promote your wall printing business when you don't have your own portfolio of completed projects yet. In today's video, I'll share how our clients solve this common problem and start to market their services effectively from day one. Over the next few minutes, you'll discover what's included in our marketing materials database and how to use these resources for effective promotion. I'll walk you through the process we've successfully tested with nearly 200 other companies we've helped enter the wall printing market. And if you're new here, hello, I'm Rafa from Wall Printers, and this is a video from our FAQ series where we answer the most common questions about wall printing technology. Let's dive right in. One of the biggest concerns for wall printing beginners is marketing. We all know that marketing is crucial in this industry, but how do you effectively promote your services when you don't yet have an impressive portfolio of your own work? It's a very legitimate concern. It's difficult to convince clients to use your services if you can't show examples of your work. It's the classic chicken and egg problem. You need clients to build a portfolio, but you need a portfolio to attract clients. And here's where we have great news. One of the elements of the implementation package we provide to our clients is access to a database of ready-to-use marketing materials that you can leverage from the very first day of running your business. So what exactly will you find in this database? First and foremost, you'll gain access to photographs showcasing various wall printing projects. These include both installations we've completed in our office and ones we've done for our clients. We have prints in various styles, from minimalist geometric patterns to realistic landscapes and even cartoon characters for children's rooms. In addition to photos, we also provide a lot of videos. We have recordings of the printing process that show how the printer works. We also have time lapses, accelerated recordings that show the entire wall printing process in just a few seconds, from an empty wall to a finished masterpiece. These types of materials work exceptionally well on social media and capture the attention of potential clients. We always try to provide several different shots for each project. This makes it easy for you to edit them into short content for platforms like TikTok or Instagram. And the best part, this database is regularly updated. Just a few days ago, we posted an announcement in our community that new materials from 20 different projects have been added to the database. All of our clients can freely use these materials in their marketing efforts, on their website, social media, online advertisements, or even in printed catalogs. This is an exclusive benefit we provide to everyone who purchases our wall printing solution. And this means that from the very beginning of your business, you'll be able to show potential clients what results can be achieved with a wall printer. You don't have to wait months to build your own portfolio. You can start effective marketing from day one. Of course, over time, you'll add your own projects to your portfolio, but our marketing materials database gives you a solid start and helps break through that initial impasse. As you can see at Wall Printers, we don't simply sell wall printers. We offer a complete business concept with comprehensive support that allows you to start without any problems. Marketing materials are just one element of the package you receive. We provide everything you need to succeed in the wall printing industry, from equipment and technical knowledge to business expertise and ongoing support from our team. If you're interested in entering the wall printing industry, be sure to visit our website. The link is in the description of this video. Fill out the contact form and we'll get in touch with you to share more details about how to start your wall printing adventure. Also subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more videos about wall printing. See you next time.